Today we're going to show you how to make a paper boat. Fold the paper in half lengthwise. Join the sides with the midline. First this side, and now the other one. Fold this tab up, and also fold these corners backwards. Flip the paper over. Fold this other tab also, folding these corners back. Here it would make a paper hat, you see? Open the paper and flatten and make another crease, forming a diamond. Fold this tab up by joining the corner and the peak, and do the same on the other side also. Open the paper again and flatten, making a diamond. Now, open the paper, making the paper boat. You see? What do you think? Leave your comments below and let us know.